Hello, Indiana Community High School. My name is Caleb Zaborski, and welcome back to your weekly forecast, number 9. Let's hop right into next week. So, for the week of October 21st, 2024, we start Monday. You're going to see throughout the week, we stay pretty consistent fall-like temperatures with kind of chilly mornings and very comfortable afternoons. And you're also going to see that there's a lot of fine arts going on this week compared to other sports. So we start Monday. We have the math fair at the D117 Field House. And for that, the high is low 70s and a low of low 50s. So that probably one of the most comfortable days out of all of the days. There is some inconsistency on Sunday, but I'll get to that later. Tuesday, it's the instrumental concert here at Antioch, 7 p.m. I'll be in that. We have a high of mid-60s and a low of mid-50s for that. Once again, pretty nice temperatures. For Wednesday, the marching band season finale performance, I'll be there as well. High of high 50s and a low of low 50s. Once again, very nice temperatures. And for Thursday, the choir concert, high of low 60s, low 40s. Friday, we have Friday Night Lights at Gray's Lake Central. For that, it'll be pretty comfortable with high of high 60s and a low of mid 40s. And then for the weekend, we start Saturday. There's a marching band competition at University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. Now here at Antioch, going to be a high of low 60s and a low 40s. And then for Sunday, there's some inconsistency in this because I looked at one model and it was like really a high of low 80s and a low of mid 60s. It's to be determined. I would expect something more around like the 70s or 60s, but the model said that, so I'm gonna go with that, and we'll see what actually ends up happening. And what actually does support this is that we are very above average in our temperature outlook. And then for the precipitation, once again, pretty average. We're going to finally get out of that drought that we've got into because we've gotten no rain over almost the entire month of September and then into October now. But now we got some rain and we actually expected to get some more. So we're going to get out of that drought, which is very nice. And on to the tropics. We're going to start right here with the Global Tropics Hazards Outlook. You're going to see it at the very top for week 2. That's kind of this week. It's not going to be too active, which is very nice. I know some models did show some activity coming back late October into November. Not yet shown on this Tropics Hazards Outlook by NOAA. Obviously on week 3 you see that greater than 20% chance, kind of in that below Cuba. That area really isn't that much of a threat, at least to mainland U.S., so it's not too bad. And then hopping into what it is currently as of Wednesday, October 16th. So here we have 2 areas of interest. Not really expected to become any threat to the mainland U.S. because we have a high pressure system which has been creating some of the nice weather for us. But it also blocks these tropical storms and systems from entering into the Gulf and then hitting mainland U.S. And then for the Pacific, once again, not much to worry about there. I mean, there's absolutely nothing there. So we can hop right on. And this actually isn't to be the end, but we're going to start with the kind of the weather history that I've been doing now. Here's Typhoon Yutu. This was October 24th. 2018, I believe it had winds of upwards of 175 miles per hour over in that western Pacific area. That area actually is usually a hot spot for the most intense tropical cyclones on Earth. Usually, probably the Category 5 equivalent of a typhoon every 2-3 years there. It's very conductive for rapid intensification and all these strong things. Luckily, they don't usually hit that much unless those small low-lying islands that kind of are scattered around that area. But once again, not many mainland threats for these tropical cyclones. But that does it for your weather forecast, number 9.